Yo, what's up guys? So I seen you guys like the mini bike video, so I'm doing a mini bike in the skate park. This is my mini bike. If you guys haven't watched my videos before, Coleman mini bike, yeah, it's pretty good. Let's go. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so much. It wasn't that long, but tried to get some cool shots for you guys. If you guys want a part 2, or if you have anything that you would like me to do on the mini bike, because I've seen that my mini bike videos are getting like some views, so I want to do some of those for you guys. So put your ideas in the comments below, and I will definitely reply to them and everything like that. So make sure to subscribe, like, all the good stuff. Let's go. Peace. Give it a good run and go.